Hi, welcome to a special series of podcasts on 4M. 4M is making members more money, a signature business conclave by BNI Gurgaon and Faridabad, and we are in the ninth edition. And like last year, we are expecting around 3,000 business owners to come to this event for 2 days. Yes, 2 days. And these are members of BNI and, of course, business visitors. And today we're talking to the partners of 4M. And today we have with us Mr. Amit Gupta, who's from Kundan Lal Sons, and he is what he calls a jeweler's jeweler. Welcome, Amit.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you so much.
So, Amit, how long you been a member of BNI?
So, I am a 9-year-old member of BNI Gurgaon and Faridabad.
Awesome.
Yes.
And how's your journey so far in BNI?
So, I think the journey has been fantastic and I have got a lot of learning from BNI. And of course, business goes without saying. The main thing that I have got is relationships and friends like you who are always at my back. So, that is what I have earned from BNI.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Amit. And okay, coming back to the fashion show, which you are a partner. I mean, is it your first time as a fashion partner or you've been doing that earlier as well?
No, so this is my 6th consecutive time as a fashion show partner. And we have been doing it consistently in BNI Gurgaon 4M.
So I would love to ask the why you keep coming back as a fashion partner. Is it more about business or collaborations? What is it?
So Sandeep, what I feel is that business and collaborations, they are all secondary. The main thing that I get over here is relationships.
Okay.
And when people come to the fashion show and they wear our jewelry, they really feel they feel proud about it, or they have a pleasure that they are getting a feel of our jewelry, which is very important. So I remember the days when BNI Gurgaon and Faridabad, actually at that time only BNI Gurgaon was there. We were 500 people when we had our first forum where I participated in Ambience Mall Leela.
Okay.
And there were 500 odd people. And last time I remember there was a footfall of 2,000 people.
Yes, it was more than that.
Yeah. And telling you about the fashion show, it has grown like anything. Previously, we used to have around 50, 60 or maximum 70 people participating.
But as models?
As models and...
Or the back-end team.
Back-end teams, yeah. But this time, believe me, we are touching a figure of 200 members.
Wow.
So this is getting bigger, better and better. So we are having more models, we are having more choreographers, makeup artists. So everybody is pretty enthusiastic about this. And of course, the models and the rest of the designers.
Well, for viewers, I think all the models we have in this fashion show are our members. I mean, they're not professional models, but everybody get a chance to be a model there. And thank you, Amit, for creating such amazing fashion shows. And it actually became a signature, part of that 4M thing for us. So what is special for the visitors? I mean, there are business members and visitors coming. Anything special you're offering at 4M?
So as far as my booth, Kundan Lal Sons booth goes, definitely this time we are coming up with a machine, a particular machine where you can get your jewelry cleaned for free.
Okay.
No cost is involved over there. And we'll be cleaning all the jewelry, of course, and we would be having a survey form. Members who come and fill that survey forms, definitely they can avail some special discounts on the jewelry that they buy later on.
Okay.
Whenever they are coming
So you
over.
come, fill a form, and you get special discount later when you come and buy something.
And please do bring your jewelry. We'll get it cleaned right there and then.
Okay. And is it more about, your focus is more about B2C or is more about B2B? I mean, you're more into business to business transactions, or what is it?
So primarily we are a B2B people, like we are backbones of many big retailers. But yes, now we have a plan to enter a retail space very soon.
Okay.
And I proudly say that out of 1,600 people, I would, a very modest figure, at least 60% of the members know what is Kundan Lal Sons.
Awesome.
So that is a very proud thing for my organization.
Great. So good to hear that. So Amit, I would just say that if you want to say something to the viewers, that why they should come and attend your fashion show and of course at your exhibition, this is your time now.
So I'll tell you why. I'll brief you one thing which is very important. Like we are manufacturing in 6 states of India. That is Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad, Surat and Jaipur. This is because you can have the flavors of various cultures under one roof. So if you really want to experience that jewelry, treat your eyes with that kind of jewelry, and you want to have a look and feel of that, please do come to our stall and please participate in the fashion show, because that would be the time where you can flaunt around with our jewelry, which is specially created by some of the most renowned designers across India.
Thank you so much, Amit, and looking forward to have an absolute rocking fashion show and a great fair for you.